In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an engaging newsletter campaign using Mailchimp. Newsletters are an excellent way to keep your subscribers informed, engaged, and connected to your brand. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautifully crafted email ready to hit those inboxes. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this will take you to a hub of all your existing campaigns and the magic doorway to creating a new one. Click on Create Campaign to begin the process. You'll be presented with several options, but for today, we're focusing on the delightful email option. Selecting email will open up a new window where you can start crafting your newsletter. At this point, it's crucial to give your campaign a unique name that will make it instantly recognizable to you in the future. Plus, you'll also want to select your target audience. Is this newsletter going to all your subscribers or a specific segment? Make a thoughtful choice here to ensure your message reaches the right people. Now, with your audience in place, you get to decide on the visual appearance of your newsletter. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to choose from, catering to different types of communications. If you're feeling creative, you can also opt to start from scratch and design your own look. The choice is yours, but whatever you select, make sure it aligns with your brand and message. Once you have your layout ready, it's time to populate it with content. Here, you'll want to add images that grab attention, include text that's clear and concise, and insert any necessary links guiding your subscribers to further resources or promotions. The key is to blend these elements in a way that communicates your message effectively while keeping it visually appealing. With content in place, it's essential to see how your masterpiece looks in the real world before sending it out. Utilize the preview feature to get an overall view of your newsletter. It's also a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague. This allows you to catch any typos, broken links, or design mishaps that might have slipped through the cracks. Taking this extra step ensures your readers receive a polished and professional email. Finally, once everything looks perfect, you're ready to send your newsletter. With a simple click of the send button, your carefully crafted message will be on its way to delight your subscribers. And just like that, you've successfully created and dispatched an engaging newsletter through Mailchimp. Thank you for following along and happy emailing.